Watch this video and learn how to draw a rocket ship. Later on, Artie gets a call from his friends Zip and Bob. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, gang, it's Artie's show!
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend
Artie!
Artie.
Artie, we can see you.
I was hiding. Could you see me?
Yes, we could see you.
Yeah.
Do you like space rockets?
Yes.
Why don't we draw one?
Oh,
It'll be fun.
yes. Okay. Whoa. Yeah.
Good day, Artie!
Hey there, Artie!
Are you ready to create some art?
Oh, Artie was born ready.
Well, that's good. Should we start and make some art?
Okay.
Well, come on then.
Let's hop to it.
Let's start by drawing a big curved line in the middle of the page towards the left side, all the way up to the top, Artie. And then draw a curved line down on the right side. Do you know what makes rocket ships fly, Artie?
No.
Rocket fuel.
Oh,
It's a bit like the gas that goes in cars, but a little bit stronger.
ah.
Now let's draw a line across the bottom to close the shape. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thanks, Barry. Okay, Artie, now let's draw a horizontal line across near the top. And another one just below that. Now we have a nice stripe towards the top of our rocket. Let's do one at the bottom.
Artie? Artie?
Yeah.
Have you seen my carrot anywhere?
No.
It must be around here somewhere. All right, I'll keep looking. Bye.
Okay.
Now let's draw a window in the side of the rocket. A nice circle right in the middle. We've got to make sure our spacemen can look out.
Oh, I wonder who it is. It's a felt time. Who could it be?
Hey!
Hi, greetings, Artie. We're calling from Earth.
Yeah! Zip and I, we need to report back to our planet about your show.
Hi, Zip. Hi, Bob. What's up?
Oh, we want to let them know that your show is full of amazing Earth art. Oh, like when you drew that happy moon, it was stellar.
Yeah! And the rain cloud dance break, we tried it on our ship, but the rain part didn't work. No water in space.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay, guys. You can use your imagination, like I do when I draw.
Oh, hey, Artie, can you show us just one thing that we can share with our non-Earth friends? Like something easy to try?
Sure. How about drawing a star? Just draw a triangle on the top, a triangle on the bottom, 2 triangles on the sides, and connect them together.
Oh! Wow! Triangle, triangle, ta-da! Zip! Zip, 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 zip! We're gonna be space famous for this! Yay!
Wow, thanks so much, Artie. Your art is going to shine all over the galaxy.
Thanks, Zip and Bob. Let me know if any of your alien friends send back any art too.
Oh, we will!
We will.
Bye,
Artie, thank you.
Artie!
Bye, Zip and Bob. Bye.
Mikey, this is so much fun.
I told you it'd be great.
This is the best day ever.
Oh, I'm glad you're enjoying yourself, Artie. Now let's draw another circle around the first one. Watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Now let's give our rocket ship some wings. A big curved line coming out of the left side and then go right back up again. That's a perfect wing shape.
Wow, Artie, those lines, those shapes, I wanna sing. Bye.
Bye, Barry. Now, can you draw another wing on the right side? Try and make it exactly the same size and exactly the same shape, or as close as you can. It's looking good.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yay! Cartoon break. Cartoon break.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured silver.
Artie loves silver. Oh, a silver candy wrapper.
Put that wrapper in the trash can, Artie.
It's a silver trash can. A silver spaceship toy. A silver car.
Well done, Artie. You found lots of silver things.
Artie loves silver.
I wish there was a cartoon about carrots.
Cartoon break, cartoon break. We have a cartoon break.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I think this rocket ship needs some fire coming out of the bottom to signify that it's taking off. Draw two wavy shaped lines and then another line coming right down the middle. Very good. Add one more line, Artie. That's it. That's going to help us when we colour in.
Fantastic. Just fantastic. What do you think, Betty?
I agree, just amazing.
How about some stripes on the wings? Just two short lines on the right and then two short lines on the left. Oh, Artie, this looks awesome. I think you might be finished. What do you think?
I'm finished.
That's what I thought. Now what should we do?
How about some colour?
Some colour? Okay.
Okay, colouring time.
Color it in, color it in, color, color, color it in.
All done.
Great job, Artie.
Yeah,
It looks really nice.
yeah, it came out really, really good.
It sure did. Great colours as well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Artie day!
We hope you enjoyed the show. Carrot kisses and funny wishes.
Thank you for watching. Please watch again. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.